Kelsey Schroth is at home taking care of her baby. With nowhere else to go, Kelsey runs to an interior closet as her ears begin to pop and a thunderous roar grows louder and louder. A massive tornado, wider than the town itself, is just moments away.